So hello guys, welcome to another episode here at Chikwelu Kitchens, and today we'll be making salad. So I'll take you through my ingredients. I have 1 cucumber, tomatoes, a bunch of coriander, I have an onion and an avocado. Yeah, ensure that your avocado is not over ripen. And I have capsicum, hoho, or bell pepper, you can call it that. So if you're a new subscriber, karibu sana, and if you're an old subscriber, stay tuned and share. So I'm going to start the process with cutting my cucumber into halves. So what I like about cucumber is the cucumber gives the salad a crunch. So, and I like to take out the seeds, because with cucumber the seeds are a bit watery and I don't like that watery taste. But if you want to have that watery taste, or you like the cucumber seeds, well and good, you can add them. So I'm going to cut my cucumbers into diamond shapes. You know, one thing about salads is the presentation. You just have to look, the salad has to look good just from the beginning, from the cuts to the plating. So yeah, I'm going to cut them diamond shape. So I'll ensure that my the diamond shapes are even. Okay, they don't look like diamonds, but yeah, you just have the idea. So I'm going with my onion. I'll peel my onion. Okay, with onion, it gives the salad also some crunch, and also the color. It tells the whitey purple color, gives the salad a good look. Okay, start eating by your eyes. So okay, not by your eyes, you start eating with your eyes. So yes, so I'm going to cut my onions into juliennes. Okay, the cut is julienne. Yeah, so I'll add a bit of the onions just to lift the color a bit. Now there we have our onions. Now I'll go in with my capsicum. Capsicum, it's hoho. Okay, it's bell peppers also. So you can use any color. We have red bell peppers, we have yellow bell peppers. So you can choose the color. You know, with salad, it's all about the colors. So I'm going to cut them to diamond shapes too, so that I have that even cut, so that my salad will be well presented. So yes, you know, I like the green bell peppers because they're nice. They're not sweet like the red one and yellow one. I always think they're a bit sweet, so I always like the green one. So there's my tomato. I'm going to cut my tomato into cubes now. They're not too good, but yes, I'm still going to use it. I'm still going to make my salad with those potatoes. Okay, not potatoes, with those tomatoes. Okay, now you see the color, it's bright. That green, the white from the onions and the red from the tomatoes actually uplift the salad a bit. You see now the color starts to come out. Now we have avocado. Ensure that your avocado is not over ripen, like it should be. It should still be a bit hard, not the unripe hard, but a bit hard. The reason why I'm saying that your avocado should not be over ripen is because it will turn mushy. It will become mushy when you mix your salad, and you do not want to have a soggy, mushy salad. It doesn't go well in my mouth. So Now you see the colors. With salad, it's all about the colors, it's all about the crunch, the texture. So while you're making your salad, remember that the texture is one of the biggest and the most important thing. So now there you have it, my salad. So I'm going in with my coriander. It has a good taste. It adds something different to your salad. Yeah, I'll add the onions the onion that I had up. So I'm making a vinaigrette. A vinaigrette is a dressing for the salad. Like it's a French dressing. It's a dressing that you dress your salad with. So I'm going to fine chop my onions and coriander. So with the vinaigrette, mostly we use parsley. We don't use coriander. But because I don't have parsley, I'm going to use coriander. As I told you, I like the flavors. I like the taste of coriander. So I'm going to use coriander. But if you have parsley, use parsley. Strictly parsley. Yeah. So I have my oil. There's my oil. I'm going to add my oil to the onions and the coriander in a separate bowl. Now I'll add the vinegar. You know, the ratio of vinegar to oil is 2:1. That's why you see me put 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of the white vinegar. So I'm going to mix it and season my dressing. I'll season my dressing with a bit of salt. You know, you have to do everything to complete your food. If you have that spice, that thingy that you really want to add to your salad, and you think that thing is healthy, like you can add chia seeds, you can add nuts, like anything that you think will add some flavor and something that you think is uplifting. So I always like chili. So I don't know if you've seen me. Some of my videos have chili. So I have chia seeds. For me, I'll use chia seeds and some chili flakes. I always like chili. Oh yes, now that's my chili. And now my vinaigrette. So I'm going to use chia seeds, chilies, and my vinaigrette, and add a bit of salt to the salad. Yes. Oh, I forgot I had black pepper. Now, if you have any seasoning like black pepper or white pepper in your cupboard, don't just leave it there for decoration. Just use it. Use that black pepper and white pepper to lift that salad out. So I'm going to mix my salad gently. You know, I don't want it to mash because of the avocados and the tomatoes. You know, tomatoes are a bit, they have some juice, so I'm preventing them from mashing up. So I'll add in my vinaigrette. You know, I've seasoned my vinaigrette. And yes, so I'll add in my vinaigrette. Mix it well. So I want each and every part of the salad to mix well with the vinaigrette, to mix well with the salt, the chia seeds, the chili. Yes, so that's that. So one thing about food is you always taste your food before plating your food. Just don't take plain food While you're cooking, ensure that you taste your food all the time to know whether the amount of salt is correct, or you've oversalted your dish. So always taste the food. Now, wow. Okay, a bit of my avocados have mashed, but still is amazing. So this time I'll go with my coriander, the coriander that I remained with. I'm going to chop it and use it, because these things like the onions, the tomatoes, the cucumber, they are things that you have in your fridge. So don't let them stay in your fridge, and you can still make an amazing salad with them. You can use any vegetable that you like. So I'm going to put my coriander in the salad so that it adds that coriander flavor. I'm a fan of coriander. So with salads, I told you you can add anything. So you can put apples, nuts, chia seeds, walnuts, whatever you have. So for me, I have something different. So I'm going to plate my salad, and I'll show you what ingredient I'm going to put to my salad. So wait for it, guys. Wait for it as I plate my dish. Wait. And we're about to reveal that plate with that fresh looking salad. Now, there you have it, guys. Now that's the salad that I need. So it looks a bit thin, but I'm going to add a bit of grapes so that it will be alive. So grapes are a bit sweet, so it will add that sweetness in my salad. Like that salad will be just savory and sweet at the same time. So that flavor is what I always like. Now, yes, I'll add a bit of chia seeds. There is nothing that's too much chia seeds. I always love chia seeds. I always like that. So ensure that you balance your flavor. The things that you like in your salad. You can make salad from anything. So guys, thank you for staying tuned at Chikwell Kitchen. So like, share, comment, and tell us what you like to put on your salad via our Instagram page at Chikwell Kitchen. Just communicate to us, tell us what you like, tell us the idea of our next video, and always stay tuned. So tell a friend to subscribe, share, comment, and like. So guys, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Ciao.